Hello, good morning. It's a brand new week, and my name is Omoyira Oluwatosin. I'm a Nigerian-based fashion designer in Lagos. So today I'll be teaching you how to use a rivet machine. Let me just bring the camera down a bit. So this is a rivet machine, and okay, I think this is a rivet machine, and I know that some of you might be have been seeing it around, and you might not know what it's used for. You can use a rivet machine for your cover button. You can use it for the highlights, for fixing your highlights, and you can also use it to fix your pearls, that's your beads. So let's jump straight to why I filmed this video. So this is the highlight pearls that I'll be using. There is gold and brown, and this is the cover. So, and if I'm going to be using this crepe fabric, and if you notice, I already have 2 holes on this fabric. So let me show you how I got to this stage. So the first thing I did was just bring my rivet machine closer, and I pick a point where I want the eyelets to be. So I just go ahead and just so if you notice that there's that's created a hole for me. Let me show you. That's created a hole for me. What I'm going to do is to just follow the lines that it gave me, like this, and now we have a hole. We are going to put this inside this hole, and this side is the right side that will be facing outside, and the one with the extended part is the one that will be inside. So you just put it inside the hole like so, and you use the cover to cover it the way I just did now. Next thing you're going to do is just place it inside the rivet machine the way I just did, and you press. So this is what you should have at the end of the day, a very nice and beautiful highlight. So let me do it for the second time. The first thing I did, I just placed the fabric under the rivet machine like so, and I press. Once I did that, it's going to give me a hole to work with, and this is the hole. And if let me bring this closer, you see that I have a round grease line to follow. So I'm going to cut the hole open like this, following the grease line that I have. So now we have a hole to work with. So I'm going to take this silver highlights, I'll flip it inside, then use the smaller one to cover it. I hope you all can see this. And take it back to the rivet machine, and I'm going to give it a nice press. Make sure you press good, and so this is what you should have at the end of the day. I hope you've learned something today. Today is Monday, and make sure you smash all your goals. Have a to-do list that you work with for this week. And if you are here to subscribe to my channel, please do so that when I upload a new video, you'll be among the first person to get notified. And if you are here to follow all of my social media, follow me on all of my social media accounts, please do so, because if you don't, you'll be missing a lot of fashion tips, styles, and tutorials. Have a nice day, and bye.